At the time of model inheritance, abstract base class inheritance, and the second one is multi-table inheritance. Third one, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, proxy. Completed all. Sorry. So now maximum all topics are over in our Django related subjects. Today, tomorrow is our last class for the Django. Okay. Deployment of our application to the live environment. Maximum today avadalandi. Tomorrow it will finish. Once it is over, next we will go to JavaScript. After that, required REST API. But outside everyone telling only Django na, remaining they are not telling. Adi. Next REST, first JavaScript I will tell 10 to 15 days. Or 15 days REST API. Max to max inka 1 month. Sorry, REST API and RESTful API, fast API, slow API. Sir, what is the meaning of deployment? Everyone will get clarity. Wait, Amit. Okay. Yes, please tell what is the meaning of deployment? Deployment and what it is? Deployment deploy hai na? The process of moving our application, yes, to the live, or it is also called as a production. Sir, generally every project, different environments are available there. In any project, first one, development environment is there. Once it is done, it is given to the testing environment. Once it is completed, we will go to UAT environment, client. Final, the last one is called as production, or what it is, live. This is software architecture generally. Development environments, all we are developers involving to develop an application. That is the first environment. Developers have some servers. Once we completed, we have to give this application to the testers. Testers have separate environment for the testing purpose. At the time of testing, they can identify the bugs and they will go to the developers. We have to debug it and we have to check it. Every day I'm asking for, logging. Enduku logging and use debugging time, logging is important. Where you did mistakes, how to identify. The main technique itself telling what is the technique. Suppose in your program something goes wrong, what is the technique we are using? Debugging. But what is the meaning of debugging? Identifying the bugs, close the bugs. That process is called as debugging. But how to do this debugging without logging? How you have to do this? That's why every day I'm asking logging. So sorry, logging. Logging module should be there to provide the log files. But as while writing program, within the programs, any errors are there, programmer indication purpose. And one more concept I'm asking for you. What it is? Assertions. These two are very important to the developer programmer. Testers not required these. Developers very important, those two. Assertions means while running up the program, it is indication to the programmer something goes wrong in your logic. It will tell immediately. Then we can check it. That is the concept of assertion. లేదు tester identified debug. Asli where the problem is there in your code? 1,000 lines of code is there. Where mistake? How can I identify? By using debugging. At the time of debugging, one files are there. That files are nothing but log files. How to generate these log files? By using logging module. అందుకే I'm asking about logging assertions important for the developer point of view. Now, sir, testing will be done. Once the tester did the testing, everything done, it will be given to the client. Now everything is okay, perfect. Now we are in final stage. What it is? Production. That production live is nothing but what it is? Deployment. Deployment means the process of moving one application to the live or production is called as a deployment. But how to do this deployment? There are several deployment options available for Django application. These options will be based on what about those? First one, we can go with scalability. What is the meaning of scalability? And what is scalability? Scalability ante general ga I want to deploy, the factor should be observed one by one. Scalability, performance, third one, price. I want to deploy to light means these are all compulsory. Security, easy to use. Based on these factors, I can go with deployment. First factor, scalability. What is the meaning of scalability? Scalability means more number of people if I'm accessing, how it is working. For example, I can maintain one server, sir. One server. Okay. I'm getting request. I processed, getting request, processed, getting request, processed. One by one process. Suddenly all request came. One request వచ్చేసి sudden ga. How to process all? Server can able or not. Scalable means how many number of people it can be. For example, see. So today evening 4 o'clock, MSET results will be announced. MSET results. What about that server situation 4 o'clock? Throughout people at a time login or not login. Sometimes server will be crashes because at a time login to all the MSET means every people exact 4 o'clock they can in front of the system clicking, refresh. It is not opened page. The problem is server crashing. That is scalability. You can check IRCTC. Early morning 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you can book the ticket. It will open, no problem. Tatkal time is there. 9 go, 10 go. 10:30. 10:30 you can open. What will happen? It open, not open, rotating slowly. Because of at a time load increases. What is your server? Asli your server giving response, it will be crashes. That is called as what it is? Scalability. Suppose in our classroom is there. Suppose here 15 members are there. Some other class, some 100 members are there. Sir, if all the people are there, 100 are there, 300 are there. You can ask doubt one by one. I will clarify. All the 300 members ask doubt at a time. What will happen? First of all, I'm not getting your doubt because each and every person have different doubts. I'm not able to understand. I'm not able to give the response. My server will go on. Same process here also. Scalability means number of users. My server, how it is maintained. Who will take care? Live means where we are deploying, that servers will take care. Andukane, at the time of development, these things we have to consider. Is it maintained or not maintained properly? First one, scalability. What is the second one? Performance. Performance means I will give a request. How much time I'm getting response? Sir, I'm given you google.com. Am I getting page or not? It is not coming. It is rotating. After 10 minutes, Google page come. Then if you go to BookMyShow to book the tickets, it is always irritating. Suppose yesterday class is, you can take our class. How it is coming? Is it coming? Sometimes students are lagging, voice not coming, screen not coming. Then people will get irritation or not. Same thing happened daily in the Zoom. No one can use Zoom meeting. Yes or no? Yes. Because who is the responsible? Zoom server is the responsible to maintain the type of performance. First screen is coming. After 10 minutes, voice is coming. Same thing happened. Student not getting anything. So wastage of that Zoom. We can go to some another application. So that is the second one. What it is? Performance. Price. Sir, if you want to give my application to some server, we have to pay some money. Suppose I have my site is there. My site I can add it with GoDaddy. Every month I can pay money or yearly I can renewal it. Then they can give some space for me. They can maintain servers. That is the price. What is the price we have to pay to that server, domains, security? What is security for my application if I deployed? Anyone can forgery my request or not. Suddenly in the Django, we are using CSRF token to avoid the forgery purpose. So same, how much security they can provided for my live application. Easy to use. End user will easy to use my application or not. Based on these factors, I can deploy my application to the corresponding server. Endukante there are so many options are there. I want to go to deployment purpose. I have to main concentrated on these factors. One is scalability, how requests are processing. Second one, performance wise, how performance is there. Price, what is the cost for the deployment? How much security they can provide it? Is it easy to use to the end user or not? Once we consider these, where we can deploy various deployment options are available there. First one, I am deploying this one only, pythonanywhere.com. This is the free deployment server, no money, nothing. In that, whatever application you're writing, one application I can deploy. I will give URL. You can open your phones or laptops, it will be opened, that application. Python anywhere.com. But what I'm just saying, that application will be available only 3 months. 3 months tarvat it will be removed. And free, some space they are given, a small, like this classrooms, practicing purpose only. Live application, big projects are not possible. pythonanywhere.com. Next, second one is DigitalOcean. This is also one of the deployment DigitalOcean. It is called as VPS, means virtual private server, VPS. Here also we need to upload our project, but we have to pay the money. Third one, Heroku. This is also one is there. Amazon Cloud. So many are there. So, sir, how to do deployment? Yes, you won't do anything. Full perfect documentation steps available there, each and everything. For example, see, Postman is a tool. Deployment in Django application process in Heroku. Check it, simple. Create virtual environment. install project dependencies, bootstrap Django project, upload local database schemes, run a local deployment server. So whatever you want, just videos, everything, all deploying Django application Hireko, Django to Hireko, how to deploying Python application here. Suppose if you want to go to the Amazon cloud, Python, whatever you want, sir, today just you can go to Google or YouTube. Process in cloud computing. ఇదిగోండి deployment services software deployment how to provide it. ఇదిగో steps ఇచ్చాడు లేదా అలా wherever you want to deploy, just you have to YouTube or Google, check it, total steps, documentation, everything will be available there. How to deploy Django to Google Cloud, Amazon Cloud, pythonanywhere.com, whatever you want, everything will be available there. So that is the deployment servers. Second one, everyone having some doubt here. First class, someone is asking for me, sir, what is the Git? Are you explaining the Git? And another one is, what is the word GitHub? What is the difference between Git and GitHub? Git to GitHub. Without hub, it is a Git. With hub, it is a GitHub. Git. Git is VCS. What is VCS? Sir, Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, illaga so many terminologies will be there. First one, if you want to go to deployment, three things you can require terminologies. Three terminologies very important, observe carefully. First one, version control system, what it is. Second one, remote hosting, second word. Third one, deployment platform. If you know these things, you will get clarity about these words. First one, name itself indicating, you can check it. Need of version control system. What is the meaning of version control system? Updates means చేసావు బాగానే ఉంది, ఇదేం చేస్తుంది? Version control system, what it will do? Sorry, we are updating existing data. Old one is available, gone. Where? Sir, what is the use of version control system mean? For example, so now check it carefully. Version control system is nothing but, so now project is ready. Everything is okay, fine, completed. Now this is my server, assume local system. My system, it is a local system. In this project is ready. Now client came to visit the project because tomorrow I want to go to deployment. Once the client give approval, it will goes to the live. Because complete everything is ready. Client is coming to our place and visiting. Okay. Everything is okay, fine. Some small changes I can require. He is telling some changes. Okay, sir, no problem. I did small changes here. Something changes. Now I am explaining to the client, sir, whatever you're asking changes I did, can you please check it? Client came and he is checking. Okay. Instead of this one, 2 days back, you were showing one version. 2 days back, you showed me one application. That is very good. Not this one, not good. Please, sorry. You can show me that one. Where it is? Not there. I updated that one only. Yeah, sorry, sir. That one is not there. That application is updated like this. Then what to do? Then that is the reason, sir. What we have to do is don't update already existing one. Okay. Suppose if client is asking that one, what I was doing is version 1 is there. Now client is given some new changes. You have to take same copy. You have to do modifications. You can show to the client. This is the modified version, version 2. Now client is coming, checking it. Client is not satisfied. He is interested with the old version. Now immediately he is asking, not this one 2 days before you showed one application, show me that. Immediately I will show this one to my client. Is it available? Not available. Immediately I can show this one. So what happened here? Same project, multiple versions I can maintain. That is called as version control system. Suppose today he is given some modifications. Okay, some more he is telling. Okay, no problem. I can do another one. I can do all modifications. I can do, what is the version? 3. Now client came and visiting. Now he is asking first version. If he is asking, I will show. Second version, I will show. Third version. In these 3, one he will be selected there. So to maintain multiple versions of the same project, then we need to go for which one? Version control system. Who will maintaining this one, Mary? Where we are maintaining this version control system? The best example is the first one. What it is? Git. Git is the example for version control system. Adi Git ki GitHub ki tada. Git can maintain all versions of same project. It will take care of Git. If any modifications are there, Git is watching each and everything, each and every version. If any modifications are there, I can ask Git status. Immediately it will tell, oh, so-and-so version, so-and-so modifications done. What to do? You want to save permanently or you don't want? Like that it is telling. That is the meaning of Git, sir. Git is nothing but version control system. What is the version control system means? What we have to do? To maintain multiple versions of the same project. That is the meaning of version control system. At any point of time, we can have backup of previous version. Available, not available? Available. Version 1, 2, 3, 4, all versions are available there. Whatever version client is asking, immediately I will show to the client. And we can see the difference between 2 or more versions in our code base. Sir, previously I'm written ABCD, alphabetical printing programming. One is I saved as horizontally, second was simplified code. If I'm maintaining 2 files, I can identify difference. Instead of that first one, if I'm overriding, I deleted, I'm not able to see the difference. So in my hand, both are available there. In D drive, Mahesh classes, check it here. Horizontal display is there. Again, simplified horizontal display, both are there. If two I can maintain, I can see the difference. Old one, if I overriding, if I want to check it the code, not able to chances. So same version control main thing, we have to identify difference between two or more versions based on code based. What changes we did in this code? Suppose yesterday I'm telling now, in your old classes who are teaching Python, create class, str method, repr printing up. Instead of simplified version I'm showing or not, by using data class. So like that version to version differences we can identify. We can run multiple versions of the same project simultaneously. It is very helpful to track history of time and collaborate easily with others. These are all advantages of version control system. Someone is telling Git means VCS. Git is a VCS is telling na VCS means version control system. How we are maintaining different versions. Check it. Whatever version control systems are there. What it is first place? Git. Apache Subversion. ఇదిగోండి మెర్క్యూరియల్ అంట, ఇదిగోండి Azure DevOps సర్వర్, PVCS ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ టాప్ 15 వర్షన్ కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్స్. గిట్, CSV, SVN, Mercurial, Bajar, TFS, VS, TFS, everything. IBM Rational Robo, Bajar, that is also version control system. How Git is there, same like that. Competitive for the Git, these are all the different tools to maintaining different versions of the same project. These are all same category. GitHub is the different story. GitHub story I will tell. This complete story about what it is, Git only. Bajar Hindi name, market. So now you have to get some clarity about Git. Git is a version control system which can maintain and track different versions. Now we are getting clarity. Git means Adi Git. Mari, what is GitHub? Server. Sir, what is GitHub means? GitHub is application to run Git. One more. Sare. Sir, I completed my project now. Present, where is the project? Every day I'm writing projects. Na machine lo ne kada. Ante it is a local host. Every day we're running local host IP addresses. Done. It is in local host. It is also called as a local repo or repository. In my local repository, the application is available there. Now that time is client, everything is okay. I want to go to the deployment. Before going to the deployment, I want to place this one into where remote server. And one thing is required for me, that is called as remote hosting platform is required. That remote hosting platform is nothing but what it is, GitHub. And I want to first send my local host to remote hosting platform. From there only, I need to go to the live. HTTP, google.com, those are. This is called as a production or live. This is the process happened there. So Git is a version control system which is tracking all our project, multiple versions it maintains, it won't do anything. From there to, I want to send it to the remote server. From local host to remote server, one remote hosting platform is required. That remote hosting platform is nothing but GitHub. Once I forwarded GitHub, from there to, I need to go to the final deployment server. This is final deployment. That is the 3. That's why I'm telling here 3. I am telling what is required. Version control system, that is Git. Remote hosting server means GitHub. Deployment means EV. Python anywhere.com, digital version, Heroku, cloud even. That is the 3 words. Version control system, remote hosting server, deployment platform. Git versus GitHub. Git is a version control system that helps to track changes in our code. Fine. GitHub is a remote hosting platform to host our code, our files, remote server. That is the GitHub. GitHub is to host our remote code repository. So local repository to remote repository, we need to send whatever remote hosting platforms are there. First one, GitHub. Anything else? GitHub competitive multiple reporting servers are there, not only GitHub and famous GitHub, under GitHub are using GitHub related, so many are there in market. Second one, Bitbucket, GitLab, they're all available there. Remote hosting platforms. One day. Yeah, GitLab. ఇంకోండి ఇది టీమ్ వ్యూవర్ ఏంటిది, ఇది కూడానా? అవును, అవన్నీ దేనికి? ఎనీ డెస్క్ టీమ్ వ్యూవర్, జస్ట్ వీ హావ్ టు షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్ కదా. మరి ఏంటి చూపిస్తున్నాడు? ఆహా, ఇవన్నీ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్కి, అప్లికేషన్ పంపించడానికి. ఇంకోండి ఏమున్నాయి? గిట్ ల్యాబ్, ఇదేంటిది? సర్కిల్ సిఏ అంట. G2 డీల్స్, జంక్, ఇదిగోండి బిట్ బకెట్ ఉందా, బిట్ బకెట్, ఎజ్యూర్ డెవాప్ సర్వర్, క్లౌడ్, ఇవన్నీ కరెక్ట్. ఇంకోండి సమ్మన్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్, G2 డీల్స్. సో ఇవన్నీ మనకు ఐడియా లేదు యాక్చువల్గా. I know GitHub and Jenkins, I know. Because at the time of testing, I'm telling Jenkins to my students, testing students. Sir, that is the story. If our application available in remote hosting platform, then deployment on various platforms will become very easy. Deployment various that is the story. Whatever different deployment platforms are there, deployment platforms are where we have to deploy our application. Previously I'm telling now, these are called as deployment platforms. pythonanywhere.com, DigitalOcean, these are all, sir. Now, what is the version control system versus a remote hosting platform versus deployment? Now, some little bit idea you are getting it, these three versions. What is version control system? What is remote hosting platform? What is the deployment platforms? Sir, no? Getting clarity? And Sai Baba, getting clarity? They're all the deployment purpose they are using. Sir, first one, how to install Git in your machine. So first you have to install Git into your machine. In my machine already it is there. the git bash, it is there. How to do? Go to the Google, check for git download. Yes, git download is going to git. This is the site. Go to this site. Inside, what is a git means? You can download for Windows. It will be downloaded exe file. After that, you have to install it. Then git will be installed successfully in your machine. Fast version control chonde. They are telling git is a fast version control system. It is somewhere the word is there. Available repository. Download this one. Documentation. Git basic. What is git? What is version control? Git going with. Then you can check it. Commands, everything will be available there. Git main purpose. Source code. Management. Software. That is the git. So you have to download it. Install GitHub. Idigondi ila Git 2.4 download available there. 28/4/2023 downloaded. Okay, once exe is there, you have to install it. Once you install, desktop icon is available, open it. This is the git. .exe file వస్తుంది డైరెక్ట్ గా రాదంటే చెప్పొచ్చిందంట. Sir, is it visible? Chunde, this is nothing but just like this environment is, if you know Linux also same available there. Okay. Sir, ikkada we have to use our commands. Git commands. Mahesh Kushal Ming V64 anta. For example, check it carefully. Some basic commands I will tell. Sir, this PC, D drive. Installation data install based on system configuration. Click on next. Once you download, process double click on exe. Yes. Next finish. Accept must just version control system. It is not related to any server side. Not required. Once it is okay, desktop icon is coming, open it. Then shell is coming. This is the shell. Sir, first activity in current working project, my classes, or else my class udle. This PC, D drive. Create one folder. Okay. Right click, go to new, create one empty folder. My CWD. And I created a folder with the name, what it is? My current working directory. Go to Git. The first somewhere else it is there. Go to D drive. Command not found. Sorry. CD D drive. It is going to D. CD. Man working directory. My working directory. Adenti CD my CWD. My working directory came. అసలు దానిలో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఏమన్నా ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయా? LS No files, nothing. Now, inside, I want to create any file. You have to take any one file inside that folder. Normal text file or something you can take, normal text file, or else Python file, anything. Only one line is available. Save where? D drive, my current working directory. Edadi, I'm given ABC. Save. Check it, my working directory. File is there. Now you can ask about LS, list of commands. Which file is there? ABC available there. Clear చేయాలంటే yes. ఇదిగోండి LS ఒక ఫైల్ అవైలబుల్ దేర్. నౌ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ గిట్ స్టేటస్. అసలు ఏం చేస్తుంది గిట్ ఏం చేయట్లా. నాట్ ఏ గిట్ రిపోజిటరీ or may not parent a directory because I'm not initiated the git. Once I initiated git, now git is watching my ABC file. If any modifications done, anything is done, it will tell. Now check it. How to initialize git? Sir, check it carefully. In my current working directory, how many files are there? Only one. Once I initialize, git will be initiated. Check it. Git init. ఏమన్నాడు? Git initialize empty git repository in D my working net. What is the file created? .git created. Check it. Created, not created. Now it is watching my file, ABC file. Now check it. You can again check this carefully. Git. What it is? Status. ఏమన్నాడు? Nothing added to commit, but untracked. Is it tracking or untracking? Untracking. ఎందుకని? Just I'm initializing git only. I'm not given permission to track the file. That's it is untracking. ABC lo what is happening there? It want to do tracking. How to do tracking means, yes, you need to git add which file? abc.txt. When I'm given add command, then my git is tracking the file. Now you can check it. Yes. Now you can ask git status. Yes. No commit set. Now my git is tracking the file or not? Yes. Sir, what it is unstage? I will tell that one also. So first you can initiate, add files. After that, ask status. Now you can go to your file. Only one line. I am added another line. Save. And I did something kada. You can ask git, hey, anything happened there or not? Oh boss, when something is happened to there. Yes or no? ఇదిగోండి. Changes not stacked. Untracked files are available there. Ante one changes I did. Now git add ABC. Now you can ask status. Yes. It is telling file is there. GitHub. Sir, how to commit these changes permanently? Observe carefully. Git. I will use this one by one. Commit -m. First, commit by Mahesh. One file changed to insertions create mode 1064 abc.github. First committed by Mahesh. Now I am asking about git status. Nothing added to commit, but untracked files present in the git and to track. If we want to go with git log, Other Mahesh, my mail ID, first committed by Mahesh, and the total information should be available there. For example, check it. Second commit I will do. Added. So then in next Python program, I will tell it is a text file. Added another line. Okay. Go to git. Control L. Yes. git add abc.txt, then it is added. Now I am checking git status. One changes I did. Now what I was doing is observe. Second commit by Mahesh. Second committed I did. And I'm added one more line. One file changed. Now you can ask git log. Total how many comments are there? 2. First comment, date and time. Second comment, first 12 o'clock I did. Second 12:01 I did. Sir, no. Sir, git very simple. Only 4 or 5 commands are there. Ante. Add the file. After that status. If you want to do any changes, commit. You can ask a track log file. Git lo won't do anything. Just 4 or 5 commands are there enough. Sir, file key, if I want to add one command we are using every time, git add. Okay. Now observe carefully. Again, you have to add one more line. D drive. My current working directory. abc.txt. I added 3 lines. And something modification. Done. Whenever modification did, what to do? Git add of dot. Dot also I can give. Dot means current folder, how many files are there? All. Present only ABC is there. Tomorrow ABC, XYZ, so many are there. My all Python files I can require. File by file I am not possible. Dot you can give. Valid only. Added. Now, once I added commit, changes. This is the third commit. Third commit by Mahesh. Done. Changes? Changes. You can ask git what it is? Log. How many changes done by Mahesh? First commit 12 o'clock. Second commit 12:01. Third commit 12:03 there. Like, just now I'm telling now version, first version, second version, third version. Your application changes. When you did change 7. So it won't do anything, just only version controlling system only. So you have to save. How I'm saving ABC na? Your working directory you can save first version, second version, third one, fourth one. Git add dot. All versions will be added to Git. Git is tracking your versions. If any changes are there, immediately it is telling. You can save changes, commit. Commit is the command. Edi commit. Git log. Commit. That is the Git story. ABC next I will take one project. Python files, py files, setting that all are Python files or not. Files, if any changes are there, I can did the changes. I can send it to present Git only, it is available there. Django. Here we are not running, we are only platform only. Just we have to check the versions we are maintaining only. We are not running. That Django application, first I am tracking into Git. From here to I will send it to the GitHub. From there to live. Then live it is working your application. Front-end pages are coming now. Enter employee details, enter submit button. Those things will come live directly. Database data, everything available backend. Direct whatever system I'm doing, then you can do it live. That is happened. Yeah, that too. Normally we can see it, open code and check it. Then you will get it. Here you can ask git status. No changes added. If anything is updated, it is showing for me. That is the basic idea of version control system, remote platform, and deployment platform. Tomorrow I will tell that Git commands, whatever commands are there, ls command, add project, how to initiate Git, those things I will tell. Sorry, am I asking this question? This one. N equal to 6. Completed. Lab, I'm asking in the class. Sir, observe carefully. Am I asking this one? అక్కడ అడిగానా సరే అయితే ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి ప్రింట్ n కామా end equal to what is the output? What is the output? We will get it. Sai Baba అంటే అవుట్పుట్ online also check it. What is output of this program? Six అన్ని ones. ఏమండి what is the output? One 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 four. Wrong, Nikhileshwar. And what is the output? ఏమండి ఏంటిది? కాదు, రాంగ్. ఊరుకోండి, మీరు చెప్పానుగా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి మీకు. ఇంకా వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్? నో. ఏమండి ఎంత 6 1 6 4 3 1. నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, టైప్ చేసేస్తున్నా ఏంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఎలా? హౌ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ సార్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆన్సర్ నా? మరి టెల్ హౌ. ఇప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందంటే ఎలాగో తెలియాలి కదా. హౌ ఇవన్నీ నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసా, దాన్ని బట్టుకు నాకు చెప్పడం కదా మళ్ళీ. మార్నింగ్ బ్యాచ్ లో చేసి వాళ్ళకి మరి తర్వాత 4 నుంచి 2 తీస్తే 2లో 2 తీస్తే 0 రావాలి కదా. నువ్వు లాజిక్ చెప్పు, లేకపోతే నీకు ఉంది ఇప్పుడు. చెప్పు. అవుట్పుట్ నాకే. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత సరే 4 నెక్స్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమొచ్చింది? హౌ. అయ్యో అయ్యా, ఐ వాంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నాట్ ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడంటే మొబైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రన్ చేస్తున్నారా? ఎలా వచ్చింది అది కావాలి. ఓకే 3. 1. 6 4 3 1. Six, 4, 3, 1. How it is coming means observe carefully here. Sir, first what is the value of n? 6. N equal to 6. Condition satisfied, direct print. The output will become as a 6. Okay, done. Next, come to this. What is this? Anyone please tell? What is this total statement? It is what it is in operators, one type of operator. Ternary operator. In operators, arithmetic, logical, bitwise, ternary operator is there. Ternary operator. Yeah, ternary operator means a condition. If I am given, the condition is satisfied, first value will be returned. Condition not satisfied, second value will be returned output. That operator is called as a ternary operator in Python. Now, check it, value of n is 6. 6% equal to 0. True na false? True. True means which is evaluated left side condition. N minus 2 equal to 2 means what it is? 6 minus 2 equal to and 6 2. Now observe carefully. N value please replace. What is the value? 4. Now check the condition. 4 greater than 0 or not? First print that one. Printed. 4. Now check it. 4% equal to 0. True or false? False. Condition false, second value. What it is? 1. Ante n minus equal to 1. 4 minus equal to 1 means 4 minus 1. And the output? 3 kada. Check it. 1 will be replacing this position instead of 2. Appudu what is expression left side? You are going expression is 4 minus equal to 1. What is the meaning? 4 equal to 4 minus 1. Print the value of 3. This one gone. 3 greater than 0. What it is? 3. True kada. Now 3% is equal to 0. True. What will happen? 3 minus equal to 2. 3 lone 2 is 1. Now n will be replaced with 1. Now you will get 1. Now check 1 greater than 0. True only. Go to the condition. 1% equal to 0. False. Now what will happen? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. While condition it is executing. Not satisfied. Terminating the loop. So like that it is getting 6, 4, 3, 1. Ternary operator. Yes. Ternary operator it is a. Today morning class I explained that concept. 9 o'clock class. 9 a.m. batch. Today. Operators. Arithmetic, relational, equality, logical, bitwise, assignment, compound assignment operators. Increment operators are not there, but plus x minus x valid is going ternary operator. This is ternary operator condition. First value if condition. But the main important operator tour. Ternary operator, that is the condition. Multiple examples I am given. After that, special operators. Identity, membership. Identity is and is not. Membership operators in and not in. Ivi operator. Taravata we go with operator precedence. Which operators are working currently? We story. Though ternary operator is there. And this question am I given already? A list of values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For x in L, what is the meaning? X and 1. Make it as a list. Stored into values. What is the output? ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడో చోట మీకు గ్యారంటీకి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఏదో ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో తగులుతాయి క్వశ్చన్స్, చూసుకోండి జాగ్రత్తగా. అవుట్పుట్ చెప్పండి. వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? మరి చెప్పాలి అది కూడా. అంటే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చెప్పేస్తే సరిపోద్ది ఏంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది? అప్పుడు మీకే ఉండదు, నాదేం లేదు. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ వస్తే నో యూజ్. లాజిక్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అక్కడ. ఇదా? సరే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్? వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇది కూడా ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, మేబీ ఐ గెస్సింగ్. వన్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ సెల్లింగ్ ఆన్సర్. సరే, దాన్ని బట్టి మీకు ఐడియా వస్తే చెప్పండి చూసి. శేఖర్. కరెక్ట్. కోడ్ బైటర్. ఈ సింపుల్ కోడే కదా, నువ్వు కోడ్ బైటర్లోని పెద్ద కోడ్ ఛాలెంజ్ చేసి ఎంత సింపుల్ నీకు. ఏమండి, వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? 5. So your answer is 1 5 times. 1 comma 1 1 1. That is your answer. ఇంకా ఎనీ మోర్? అమిత్ ఆన్సర్ 1. మేడం గారు, మన ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? Is it correct? All ones. Maybe my guessing it is not correct. 10101 is the answer. రన్ చేసే చూడు అక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ. చెప్పాను కానీ ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనేది ప్రోగ్రామ్. 10101 is the answer. How it is coming, you can find out. Trace it. And how it is coming? 101010. ఇంకేమన్నా క్వశ్చన్స్? వద్దులే, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్. బాగా తలకనొప్పి సబ్జెక్ట్ అది.
Recording stopped.
ఏం ఆన్సర్? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is get into X. ఏమండి స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్ కదా, స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. డూ యు నో స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్? కానీ ఇవన్నీ అక్కడ చెప్పినట్టున్నా నేను మీకు ఇవన్నీ కూడా. సరే సరే చెక్ చేయండి. సరే టెల్ ద ఆన్సర్ దిస్ వన్. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇవన్నీ నేను. సరే రీడ్ దట్ వన్, టెల్ ద ఆన్సర్. అదిగో అదే క్వశ్చన్.
Recording in progress.
You are developing a Python application. Total 600 employees are there. Last 3 being a company management. You need to slice employees to display all employees, excluding last 3 employees. The last 3 I don't want. B. ఇంకా B. B. Sir, what is the correct answer? Sir, here they are telling, observe carefully. In question, you can read carefully. Which 2 code segment they are asking? If anyone selected only one, your answer will be wrong. B and E is the correct answer. Except last 3 remaining. Sir, without -3, 0, -3, both are same or not? చేశాను కదా. దిస్ వన్ ఇది తెలిసిందే మీకు. ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ. ఫోర్టీన్త్ సింపుల్ ఓన్లీ. ఇవన్నీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ రిలేటెడ్. This one completed. Tell answer. అదే ఉంటుంది మరి, అర్థం అవదు. చెప్పండి, ఏం చేయలేము అప్పుడు. డి. డి. Multiplied by -1, then raise it to the second power. What it is? The output should be adi. Adi correct answer. C is the correct answer, not D. C. Nimale. ఇంకా ఎక్కడ మంచి మంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండాలి. ఇది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కదా. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్? Which of the above variables represented true? ఏమేంటిది? సరే చెప్పండి. Which of the above variable represented true? సి. అతను ఆప్షన్ సి. సి అంటే ఇదా? అదే సి అంటే అదే అనేది. నేను అడుగుతుంది ఏబిసిడిలో ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్పండి, ఆన్సర్స్ ఆప్షన్స్ చెప్పండి. Bottom 4 answers are there. A, B, C, D. B. Very good. ఇంకా your answer C. Next. The answer is D is the correct answer. Because all are empties only. None of the above represented true. D. First bool of empty, false. Bool of tuple, false. Range of 0 means 0 only. Bool of 0 means false. False. Check it if you have any doubts. If your doubt is there, check it. ఏమో రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ 0 అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? మరి 0 మీన్స్ ఫాల్స్ కదా ఏంటి? ట్రూ రాదు కదా. నేను అడిగాను ట్రూ ఏది రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది? నో వన్ కెన్ గివ్ ట్రూ ఆన్సర్. నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబౌవ్. ఆల్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్ ఓన్లీ. If you don't understand question means don't go for interviews. In interview, this type of question will come. Then you can ask same thing. Are Babu, what is these questions? We are not able to understand. Nonsense. Change the paper. Like that you can ask. You can understand the questions. If you're not understand question means what should I do? Try to understand question, please. First of all. ఇప్పుడు బి ఇది చెప్పినట్టు ఆల్రెడీ నేను. మరి నేను చెప్పబట్టే మీరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు. అయ్యో అయ్యో, చాలా ఉన్నాయి. 200 క్వశ్చన్లు ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ. ఇది చదువుకున్నా చాలా, మీరు కొంతలో కొంత సబ్జెక్ట్ గెట్టిన అవుతారు. ఇదిగోండి ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇందులో సంథింగ్ లాజిక్ విల్ కమ్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. లైన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 33. Which of the following snippet will produce the output boy, cat, dog? Check the first one. Are you getting boy, cat, dog? Yes or no? No. Read the carefully. For loop, if condition, then tell your answers. ఆ ఏంటి ఏ అయ్య బాబు. ఆ సరే ఏ కరెక్ట్ అంటారు అంతేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఏ ఎస్ నో చెప్పండి, దాన్ని బట్టి సెకండ్ చూపిస్తాను. సరే చెక్ ద బి కోడ్. డి కాదు. ఈ లేదు, ఏబిసిడిఏ. డి కూడా విల్ కమ్. ఏ అండ్ డి బోత్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్ ఓన్లీ. యు ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ కరెక్ట్ డి. ఎందుకు రాదు చెప్పు, నువ్వు చెప్పు ఎందుకు రాదు. తర్వాత ఎందుకు వద్దని నేను చెప్తాను నాకు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ ఆఫ్ 1 కోలన్? ఇది జీరో కదా. దిస్ 1 2 3. 1 కోలన్ మీన్స్ 1 2. ఆల్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇంటూ వేర్ L1 ఫర్ ఎక్స్ ఇన్ L1 1/1. ఏ అండ్ డి. మరి డి కూడా చూడాలి కదా. సరే ఇది ఏ ఏ సాయిబాబా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు. మేడం వాట్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్? ఏ. ఏ ఈజ్ ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అవుట్పుట్? ఏ ఈజ్ meant for address comparison, both should be pointing to same. Who are telling B wrong answer, Shekhar, Amit. A is the correct. Is meant for address. X store Mahesh, Y store Mahesh, X and Y pointing to same object. Address should be same. ఇది వేస్ట్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. సరిగ్గా చూడండి. ఈ డి. డిలే ఉన్నాయి ఏబిసిడి. డి మేడం. బి. కోడ్ బయటర్. ఏ B, D. The output is D. చెప్పావుగా డి చెప్పావుగా ఇంకేంటి అడిగేది ఏనా ఏమైంది బి మరి ఎందాక అందరు ఏ అన్నారు బిడి బిసిడి బిసిడి బి 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 చాలండి యువర్ ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్
Recording
ఇన్ పైథాన్
stopped.
ఏరియా బై బై ఎవ్రీవన్ ఎంజాయ్